Okay, so now we're going to try adding some additional form types. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Let's add a new form type. Let's do, instead of multiple choice, checkbox. So here's where you can check off several possible answers. So a question might be, where would you like me to walk your dog? Local park, around my block, larger outdoor area, and maybe other. So in this situation, the person can check off multiple options. Let's try another one. So here's the new generic question that's been added. Let's try a drop down. What part of Noe Valley do you live in? Let's preview this. I'm going to say I have two options here, and then this is a drop down. So I could say near the community center. Okay, let's go back and see another type. Oh, good. So this got added here. I can move this. So I can take this one. When I put my pointer here, there are these little dots. And notice the pointer shape turns into a four-way arrow. That means I can click and reposition this question. So this is one question, and now this is the new question. Okay, so let's try linear scale. So this is 1 to 5. Let's put this information down here. So 1 is not very friendly, and 5 is very friendly. Okay, take a look at that, and that's what that would look like. That covers most of this. You can embed pictures and videos. Preparing for a new dog walker. Let's see if there's anything on YouTube. Here's walking your dog preparation. This isn't exactly it, but it'll work for our purposes. Okay, so that gets put in beneath, and I'll say preparing your dog for a walk. Let's put in an image. I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to click image. These are the options. I can upload an image. If I have a camera attached, I can take pictures with the camera. If I have the web address of a specific image, I can paste that in. And if I have images in my photos or Google Drive, I can access them. I'm going to do Google image search. And I'll just say dog walking. Pick this one. I'm going to say insert, and it appears here. One of our walkers with an enormous pack. Okay.